welcome back to my channel. Hello. As you can see, today I'm looking a little bit different. And that's because today we are going to be doing a hair tutorial. I am going to be showing you guys how to achieve the slick down look on TWA hair. But before I get into today's tutorial, I'm just gonna ask everyone right now to stop what you're doing and subscribe to the channel. Yes, just click on that subscribe button. Just do it. Yes? Okay. And can you stop? How am I supposed to shoot when you are in the back throwing up?
Subscribe.
Yeah, do that. Now that all that is out of the way, guys, let's jump into today's tutorial. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this hairstyle are some styling tools. You're gonna need a tangle teaser or whatever detangling brush you do use. You're gonna need a hard brush, just a brush with hard bristles so you can comb down the hair, and you are gonna need a rat tooth comb. That's to open up the side part. You need your water, to get your hair all nice and ready to be styled. Then you are going to need your leave-in conditioner. Today I am going to be using this one from Jamaican Mango and Lime, Pure Naturals. It is the coconut leave-in and detangler. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today. Then you are going to need your gel. This one is the Eco Styler gel. It is the argan oil gel. As you can see, it's finished. I finished it trying to do this hairstyle, actually in the middle of trying to do this hairstyle, and I'll show you what I used as a replacement for this. Then when you're done laying your hair, you are going to need some wrap mousse for the hair. I'm going to be using this one from ORS, olive oil. You're also going to need an oil of your choice. I am choosing olive oil because, well, I like olive oil, and yeah. And last but not least, some oil sheen. Now that we have all our products and all our styling tools, I am going to be showing you how you use all of that stuff. Why am I even saying like it's a lot of products? It's not that many. It's like what, 4, 5? But anyway, I'm going to be showing you how you use all of that to get this look. Water and just dampen your hair a bit. You don't want it soaking wet, but it does have to be damp. Some leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using this Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals coconut leave-in conditioner and detangler. You want to apply the leave-in conditioner so you can just help detangle the hair, so you can brush through it a little bit easier. Teaser or whatever detangling brush that you may have, and just get all the knots out the hair. Your hair is all tangle free and hopefully so much easier to comb through, we are going to go into the next step, and the next step is the laying down of the hair. Now that your hair is nicely moisturized and detangled, now we can go into the actual laying down of the hair. First, you want to take your comb and open up a side part, whichever side you choose there. I am choosing a side part. So yeah, let's open up that side part. Should be here. And I already know this is like gonna kick my ass because I'm not too good with this path stuff. Let's see, should it be there? Or should it be like... I guess that's the hardest part of this hairstyle, it's deciding where your path is gonna be. But yeah, let's have it all the way here. Once you've opened up your part, you're going to take the clip and clip the hair to the side just so you don't get the hair mixed up with the hair this side. Yeah. With your gel, you're going to start slowly and carefully laying the hair all the way down around your head. So let's take some gel. I already know that, like, do not use edge control. Do not. It's for gel. This hairstyle is for gel and gel alone. I am using edge control because we are on lockdown right now, and that little bit of gel was all I had because I didn't have hair anymore, so I don't really buy gel. But yeah, we'll see how it looks. But before we go ahead and wrap the hair, we want to apply some wrap mousse. What this does is kind of like keeps the hair in place. It kind of like, you know, holds it. Like, my mousse is from ORS Olive Oil wrap mousse set, and this is just what you put on your hair after you put gel on it. Shake it up real good. Shake it up, shake it up. It looks like water, but it comes out like foam. It's also good for wigs when you're applying your wig and you just want the front to be like super slick down. After you glue your wig on, just before you wrap your hair, apply some wrap mousse, and then yeah, come on girl. Now I am putting on quite a bit. I don't know how much you're supposed to put on, but I am going to put on as much as I have to rectify the edge control mistake. And I'm noticing right now as I'm applying the wrap mousse, the edge control is becoming a lot more softer, so I think it's working. And again, just want to brush it all in. This is really like harder than I thought, but also at the same time it's easier than I thought. I don't know, kids, pray for me. Pray for me. Okay, so now that you're done laying your hair, you want to now wrap it so it can dry. First I used this like pantyhose wig net kind of looking thing because it literally molds to the shape of your hair. So whenever you're laying your hair, you should probably be using this. And so let's just put this on. Now that it's done, we are just gonna let it dry and then we will check on it later. Hey, okay, so it is the next day and I'm about to take this off and see what the hairstyle looks like underneath. But before I do that, I did in the morning fix my edges because while I was sleeping, the dupe shifted around and you know my edges are kind of messed up. But that's all I did in the morning. I woke up, fixed the edges and re-wrapped it again, and yeah, now it is 1:45 and I'm about to take the wig off and we'll see how this little experiment turned out. So yeah, let's do this. I'm a little bit scared because it wasn't that dry this morning. Okay, that's not bad. What do you think?
The waves have been checked, yeah.
The waves have been checked. Wave check. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Let me just give you guys a closer look. steps is obviously to do your edges, which I did in the morning. It's kind of messed up right now, but I am not too mad at it. I think it's okay. I think it's decent. Plus I'm not really an edges type of girl anyway, so I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Okay, so when you're done laying the edges and you wrap them and they are laid to death, honey, another finishing touch you want to do is you want to add some oil onto the hair, because it is a little too much. Not too much, guys, not too much like I'm doing right over here, because it is a little bit hard. You'll realize that when you wake up and you take off your scarf, you'll realize that the hair is quite hard because of the gel, obviously. So you just want to apply some oil. And after the oil, my little extra step for some extra shine is some sheen spray. I'm obsessed with sheen spray lately. Yes. And just like that, I am all done styling my hair. It doesn't take too long to actually lay down the hair. The only thing that takes quite some time is the drying, so the hair can dry and just like lay flat and stuff. So I just left it overnight because it was just taking too long during the day. So I just slept with my hair wrap, and that's something you should try. Another thing also I realized when applying gel to my hair is leaving the gel to lay the hair overnight makes the hair flatter than just leaving it on for a couple of hours. So I do recommend sleeping with it, like doing this before you go to bed, and then you wake up and go wherever you want to go. But other than that, I really love this hair. I'm going to be styling my hair like this more often because short hair gang, TWA, what's up. But yeah, other than letting your hair lay overnight, I don't have any other tip, except maybe you should try and stick to gel and not like use edge control like I did. Yeah, you should probably wait until you have enough gel for this hairstyle, because the edge control does do the job, but it's really hard to manipulate your hair because it's so thick and like sticky, and like it's quite thick. It's not like gel. Gel, it's so much easier to put in your hair and brush out, brush down, style your hair, unlike the edge control. But yeah, I am moderately satisfied with this hair. It's quite cute. It's not as flat as I'd like it to be, but I'm just gonna blame that on the gel situation. Next time I'll just do this with more gel. And if you're like me and didn't get the best outcome for your first try, don't worry about it. Practice makes perfect, and don't be discouraged. You'll get it right. I'll get it right. We'll all get it right. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Share the video on your social media pages, and while you're there, follow me on my social media pages, and yeah, make me happy. Get me to 10,000 on Instagram. That'll make me really happy. Guys, I will see you next time on the next video, and hopefully I'll have more gel next time so we can do this the right way. And yeah, see you next time. Hope you get staying safe in the house, washing your hands.